Hi everyone, it's Rob here with some more creative writing for you. Today we're going to have a change from stories and give you the chance to write a short play. When I was in year 5 and 6 at school, we often used to write and act out our own little plays last thing on a Friday afternoon. I did one about sword and sorcery and another one about robots. You could ask some friends to act them with you and make your own costumes and props. You could also ask someone to video it and, with permission, maybe even share it online. So, here's the storyline for your play. Aliens have landed, and you have been chosen out of everyone on Earth to explain our planet and its peoples to them. Good luck with that. What will you say? Will the aliens be friendly or hostile? Have fun.